everybody, welcome back to my channel. Let's have fun with Talia. Let's make some pancake. The ingredients are pancake mix, eggs, oil, and milk. Now it's mixing time. Let's do this.
2 hours later.
Look at them, they look so yummy. Now it's decorating time. Now we have some rainbow sprinkles. We have chocolate, we have more sprinkles, and we have candy eyeballs. Are you ready for the great finale? Woohoo! Chocolate! Spready spread. This is very fun to do. Gah! Now we're done putting the chocolate. Now let's decorate it. These remind me of Halloween. These are confetti. This for a touch. Yummy! What do you think about my spooky pancake? Give a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Bye!